Hi everyone, welcome back to ITPK. In today's video, we are diving into a crucial topic that affects all of us. Protecting our phone numbers from scammers and advertisers. Did you know that your Android phone might be sharing your personal information without even realizing it? In this video, I will show you some quick and easy steps to secure your phone number and enhance your privacy settings. We will explore the default setting that could be putting your information at risk and how to turn them off. Because not all the time all the website or all the apps are honest. So all this leads your phone number sharing in the database of advertiser or scammer. So they will call you even to sell something or to deceive you. And all the settings that we're gonna change today are exists on every Android phone. So if you want to keep your phone number safe and regain control over your privacy, make sure to stick around. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on how to protect your digital life. So the first settings we are going to discuss and change is, let's go to the settings of your phone. Once you are in settings of your phone, please find the option that says Google. Please open the Google option here. Once you are in Google here, you're supposed to find the option autofill. Please note that this option could be different from my mobile phone to your mobile phone. On my mobile phone, let's go to the second option, that is autofill. Once I am in autofill, I can clearly see the option phone number sharing. So let's go to the phone number sharing option here. Now this phone number sharing setting allows Google to show you a screen that lets you choose a phone number to share when a third-party app requests your phone number. So as far as I think, not every app is honest and I want to turn this feature off. Let's go ahead and turn off this feature of phone number sharing. Now let's go ahead and turn off the setting that gives websites access to our phone number. So let's go back, and I suppose you go here to Google Chrome browser. Once I am in Google Chrome browser, I want to go on three dots here, and then I want to go to settings. So here I want to find addresses and more. So let's go into this option, addresses and more. Once I am in addresses and more, I can see that save and fill addresses. This includes the information like phone numbers, email addresses, and shipping addresses. This feature works as when you have entered your phone number or any website and then you save their phone number in the browser, so that website will have access to your phone number. So basically what I need, I want to remove some of them. Let's go ahead and delete them. You could delete some of them here, but as my video is about keeping our phone number secure, if you want to keep your phone number totally secure, you can go ahead and turn this setting off. So I have turned off this setting. Let's go back. And the next setting that we need to change to keep our phone number secure. So let's go back and head to the settings again. To find the setting on every Android phone, let's go to search and type permission manager. So let's go ahead and open the permission manager here. Again, let's go to permission manager. So now once you are in the permission manager of your phone, please go ahead and tap on contacts. Once you go to contacts, you will find all the apps here that are allowed to have access to your contact and all the contacts that are added into your contacts. So here, let's say I want to remove this global search and I don't want to allow global search access to contact. I have selected don't allow. Again, I don't want calendar to have access to my contacts. I open the calendar and I am selecting don't allow. Okay, I have selected don't allow for calendar as well. So here you could go ahead and you can remove or you can set it to don't allow access to your contact for any of app that you don't want and you want to keep secure your contact number. If you have disabled or if you have set this setting to don't allow, then don't worry about that, because whenever any of app will need access to your contact, that app will again ask you to allow access. Okay, so now tap back, again tap back, and we want to find here call logs, because call log give access to your phone number or contacts list or the phone number added to your contact. So in call logs you can see the allowed apps. For me here, I can again go to Google and I want to set it to don't allow. No worries, let's go ahead and set it to don't allow. By this way you could also change setting to deny for your call logs permission to keep your contacts secure or to keep your phone number secure. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you find these tips helpful in securing your phone number and enhancing your privacy settings on your Android device. Remember, taking control of your personal information is crucial in today's digital world. If you learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family to help them protect their privacy too. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you might have. I love hearing from you. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe ITPK and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos. Together we can stay informed and safe online. Until next time, stay secure and take care. Bye.